Assalamu alaikum. Here's the construction update for this week. The carpentry contractors worked on the columns in the women's prayer area. They are all complete and ready for paint except for bases. The carpet is complete in the men's and women's prayer area and covered with plastic. The tile contractors completed the vanity tops in all 4 bathrooms and installed the back wall and shelf assembly at the wudu area. They will finish the backsplash on the vanity tops in restrooms and install the mirrors. Shower walls have been installed and they will continue to install grab bars, seats, doors, and any other accessories. The porcelain tile was completed in 2 offices and the tile base in the main vestibule and the elevator lobby upstairs was complete. The site contractor completed the basin conversion but is waiting for the perk test of the bottom. Water flow issue at the back of the building has been resolved with a retaining wall and trench with stones covered. Please continue donating as much as you can and support the project. Jazakallah khair for your support.